Hello, my dear students. How are you? Are you fine? Let's continue our today's topic. In last lecture, we had completed sulfonation of aniline. And after completion of sulfonation of aniline, we had studied diazonium salt and its preparation. Right? Now today we are going to learn about the chemical properties of diazonium salt. Chemical properties of diazonium salt. D-I-A-Z-O-N-I-U-M, diazonium salt. Now diazonium salt shows two types of chemical properties. One chemical property due to replacement of diazonium group. Diazonium group means N2 positive. Now this N2 positive, this group is called diazonium group. So one chemical property of this diazonium salt due to replacement of diazonium group, and second chemical property is due to retention of diazonium group. तो बेटा डायazonium सॉल्ट की दो टाइप की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी है. एक तो बेटा ड्यू टू रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ डायazonium ग्रुप. इन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी में बेटा डायazonium ग्रुप N2 पॉजिटिव ग्रुप रिप्लेस होता. और दूसरी जो बेटा केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी है दैट इज रिटेंशन ऑफ डायazonium ग्रुप. मीन्स बेटा डायazonium ग्रुप एज इट इज रहेगा, जैसे कि वैसा रहेगा. So first of all, we will study chemical property of diazonium salt due to replacement of diazonium group. So chemical property due to replacement of diazonium group. Now in these chemical properties of diazonium salt, diazonium group is replaced by nucleophiles like Cl negative, Br negative, I negative, F negative, Cn negative, H negative and OH negative. So 6 chemical properties are there due to replacement of diazonium group. तो बेटा जब भी diazonium सॉल्ट की डायazonium ग्रुप को रिप्लेसमेंट करके रिएक्शन होती, तो बेटा डायazonium ग्रुप रिप्लेस होता Cl का यूज करके, Br, I, F, Cn, H और OH का यूज करके. इसमें बेटा हमको 6 केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी स्टडी करना है. चलिए, फर्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज रिप्लेसमेंट बाय यूजिंग Cl नेगेटिव, Br negative and Cn negative. Now this reaction is especially called Sandmeyer reaction. S-A-N-D-M-A-Y-E-R, Sandmeyer reaction. Now this reaction is already studied in haloarine. ये रिएक्शन बेटा हम haloarine में ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर चुके हैं. Right? Once again, we will study this reaction. So, Sandmeyer reaction, those reaction in which benzene diazonium halide salt react with cuprous chloride and HCl or cuprous bromide and HBr to form the chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. That reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. तो बेटा वो रिएक्शन जिसमें बेंजीन डाइअज़ोनियम हालाइड सॉल्ट की रिएक्शन होती है बेटा क्यूपरस क्लोराइड और HCl के साथ, या बेटा क्यूपरस ब्रोमाइड और HBr के साथ, उससे फॉर्म होता बेटा क्लोरोबेंजीन या बेटा ब्रोमोबेंजीन। उस रिएक्शन को बोलते हैं हम सैंडमेयर रिएक्शन। नाउ सी ए रिएक्शन C6H5 N2 positive X negative. It is benzene diazonium halide. So when benzene diazonium halide react with cuprous chloride and HCl, CuCl plus HCl. Now simply this N2 gas is released. ये बेटा N2 गैस क्या हो जाएगी, रिलीज हो जाएगी। Now this C6H5 combine with this Cl. This halogen goes to here and this chlorine attached to benzene ring. तो बेटा ये HCl में का क्लोरीन अटैच होगा बेंजीन के साथ और बेटा इसमें का X शिफ्ट होगा इधर। सो कंपाउंड बिकम C6H5Cl and this compound is called chlorobenzene. So when benzene diazonium halide react with cuprous chloride and HCl, then it forms chlorobenzene. Similarly, when benzene diazonium halide C6H5N2 positive X negative, when it react with cuprous bromide and HBr, these N2 gas is released. So beta N2 gas. Now these Br combine with a benzene ring to form the C6H5Br and this compound is called bromobenzene. So benzene diazonium halide react with cuprous chloride and HCl to form chlorobenzene. Benzene diazonium halide react with cuprous bromide and HBr to form the bromobenzene, and such reaction is called सैंडमेयर रिएक्शन। इस रिएक्शन को बोलते हैं बेटा सैंडमेयर रिएक्शन। सो हियर डायअजोनियम ग्रुप replaced by chlorine, here diazonium group replaced by bromine. Okay, now similarly when benzene diazonium halide heated with sodium cyanide NaCN, so when benzene diazonium halide heated with sodium cyanide in presence of cuprous cyanide and HCN, so these X negative combine with Na to form NaX. Now these N2 gas release, so N2 gas is released. Now what will left here? Benzene ring. From here Cn, they combine to form C6H5Cn. C6H5Cn. This compound is called phenyl cyanide or cyanobenzene. So when benzene diazonium halide heated with sodium cyanide in presence of cuprous cyanide and HCN, then it forms phenyl cyanide or cyanobenzene. Now in this reaction, diazonium group is replaced by Cn. डायअजोनियम ग्रुप का रिप्लेसमेंट हो रहा बेटे किसका यूज करके? Cn का यूज करके. सो बेंजीन डायअजोनियम हालाइड react with cuprous chloride and HCl to form chlorobenzene. Benzene diazonium halide heated with cuprous bromide and HBr to form bromobenzene, and benzene diazonium halide react with sodium cyanide in presence of cuprous cyanide and HCN to form phenyl cyanide or cyanobenzene. So it is the one chemical property replacement by using Cl negative, Br negative and Cn negative. Now we will see another chemical properties. Yes. So instead of cuprous chloride and cuprous bromide, if benzene diazonium halides are heated with copper metal and HCl or copper metal and HBr, then it forms the chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, and such reaction is called Gattermann reaction. Gattermann, Gattermann. This reaction was also studied in haloarine. ये रिएक्शन भी बेटा हम हाइलोएरिन में स्टडी कर चुके हैं. So if benzene diazonium halide heated with copper metal and HCl or copper metal and HBr, then it forms the chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, and such reaction is called Gattermann reaction. So what is the basic difference between Sandmeyer and Gattermann reaction? In Sandmeyer reaction, cuprous chloride and cuprous bromide is used, and in Gattermann reaction, instead of cuprous chloride and cuprous bromide, copper metal is used. राइट इतना ही डिफरेंस है बेटा, बाकी बेटा पूरी रिएक्शन सेम है. सो सी हियर बेंजीन डाइअज़ोनियम हालाइड heated with cuprous copper metal and HCl. So these N2 gas released. So it is the N2 gas. Nitrogen gas is released. Now these halogen transfer here. This Cl attached to benzene ring. So compound becomes C6H5Cl, and this compound is called chlorobenzene. So benzene diazonium halide heated with copper metal and HCl to form the chlorobenzene. Similarly, benzene diazonium halide heated with copper metal and HBr. So it is N2 gas. Nitrogen gas is released. These Br attached with benzene ring, and these X transfer to hydrogen. So compound becomes C6H5Br, and this reaction is called bromo. This compound is called bromobenzene, and such reaction is called Gattermann reaction. Gattermann, Sandmeyer, they are the name of the scientist. So in this way, a replacement of diazonium group is carried out by using chlorine, bromine and Cn negative. Now second replacement reaction, replacement by using iodine. Replacement by using iodine. अब बेटा क्लोरीन से रिप्लेसमेंट करें, क्लोरोबेंजीन फॉर्म हुआ. ब्रोमीन से रिप्लेसमेंट करें तो बेटा ब्रोमोबेंजीन फॉर्म हुआ. अब बेटा आयोडीन से रिप्लेसमेंट करेंगे तो बेटा क्या फॉर्म होगा? आयोडोबेंजीन. सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयोडोबेंजीन. सो व्हेन बेंजीन डाइअज़ोनियम हालाइड हीटेड विथ पोटेशियम आयोडाइड, जब बेटा बेंजीन डाइअज़ोनियम हालाइड की रिएक्शन होती या बेटा बेंजीन डाइअज़ोनियम हालाइड को हीट करते पोटेशियम आयोडाइड के साथ, सो दिस के कंबाइन विथ एक्स, के बेटा कंबाइन हुआ एक्स के साथ टू फॉर्म के एक्स. दिस नाइट्रोजन गैस इज रिलीज्ड, सो इट इज N2 gas. What will left here? C6H5. From here iodine, they combines together to form C6H5I, and this compound is called iodobenzene. So when benzene diazonium halide heated with potassium iodide, then it form iodobenzene. Now here a replacement of diazonium group is carried out by using iodine. Therefore, it forms the iodobenzene. Okay. Now, third replacement by using फ्लोरीन. अब बेटा डायअजोनियम ग्रुप को रिप्लेस करना है किसका यूज करके? फ्लोरीन का यूज करके. राइट. तो बेटा समझ में आ गया होगा. अब यहां क्या फॉर्म होगा? इट फॉर्म द फ्लोरोबेंजीन, लाइक क्लोरोबेंजीन, ब्रोमोबेंजीन, आयोडोबेंजीन. Here formation of fluorobenzene is takes place, and this reaction is specially called as Balz-Schiemann reaction. Balz, B-A-L-Z, Balz, Schiemann, S-C-H-I-E-M-A-N-N, Balz-Schiemann reaction. Right? So this reaction is carried out in two step. बाल्ज-शीमैन रिएक्शन होती है बेटा दो स्टेप में. देखो डेफिनेशन कैसा लिखेंगे, हाउ दिस रिएक्शन इज डिफाइंड. सो द रिएक्शन इन विच बेंजीन डायअजोनियम हालाइड heated with fluoroboric acid, HBF4. Then it forms benzene diazonium fluoroborate, So in the first step, benzene diazonium halide heated with fluoroboric acid to form benzene diazonium fluoroborate, which undergoes thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition means breaking due to heat to form fluorobenzene. That reaction is called Balz-Schiemann reaction. Right? So the reaction in which benzene diazonium halide heated with fluoroboric acid to form benzene diazonium fluoroborate, which undergoes thermal decomposition to form fluorobenzene, is called as Balz-Schiemann reaction. Now see here how reaction is takes place. C6H5N2 positive X negative. It is benzene diazonium halide. So when benzene diazonium halide heated with fluoroboric acid, HBF4. Now this H positive combine with X negative to form HX. तो बेटा ये HX. Now what will left here? Benzene ring N2 positive. From here BF4 negative. They combines to form benzene ring N2 positive BF4 negative. Benzene ring N2 positive BF4 negative. And this compound is called benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Fluoroborate. Now this benzene diazonium fluoroborate undergoes thermal decomposition, breaking due to heat. So this N2 gas is released. ये बेटा N2 गैस रिलीज हो गई. यहां बेटा BF4 है, ये बेंजीन रिंग, इसमें का एक फ्लोरीन. दे कंबाइंस टू फॉर्म C6H5F. दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड फ्लोरोबेंजीन. अब यहां का बचा बेटा BF3, सो इट इज BF3. सो इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम हालाइड heated with fluoroboric acid to form benzene diazonium fluoroborate. This benzene diazonium fluoroborate undergoes thermal decomposition to form the fluorobenzene. Such reaction is called Balz-Schiemann reaction. See here once again. H positive combined with X negative to form HX. Bf negative attached here. So benzene ring N2 positive, Bf4 negative. It is called benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate undergoes decomposition. So these N2 gas is released. Benzene ring combined with one fluorine to form C6H5F. It is called fluorobenzene. And what will left here? BF3. So it is BF3. It is boron trifluoride. So here replacement of diazonium group is carried out by fluorine. So replacement by using fluorine. Such reaction is called Bals-Schiemann reaction. Okay. Chलिए today's last replacement by using OH. अब बेटा डायazonium ग्रुप को रिप्लेस करना है किसका यूज करके बेटा? OH का यूज करके. और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फेनॉल. सो हियर फेनॉल इज फॉर्म. जैसा बेटा सैंडमियर रिएक्शन में क्लोरोबेंजीन ब्रोमोबेंजीन फॉर्म होता, CN का यूज करे तो बेटा साइनोबेंजीन फॉर्म होता, आयोडीन से रिप्लेस करे तो बेटा आइडोबेंजीन फॉर्म होता, फ्लोरीन से रिप्लेस करे बेटा तो फ्लोरोबेंजीन फॉर्म हो रहा. यहां बेटा OH से रिप्लेस करेंगे तो फेनॉल फॉर्म होगा. राइट. सो रिप्लेसमेंट बाय यूजिंग OH, that is formation of phenol. So when benzene diazonium halide undergoes hydrolysis, means react with water in presence of dilute H2SO4, then it form phenol. जब बेटा बेंजीन डायazonium halide का हाइड्रोलाइसिस होता या बेटा रिएक्शन होती वाटर के साथ, किसके प्रेजेंस में? डाइल्यूट H2SO4 के प्रेजेंस में, तो बेटा वो फॉर्म करता है बेटा फेनॉल. सी हाउ रिएक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस. C6H5N2 पॉजिटिव, X नेगेटिव. इट इज बेंजीन डायazonium halide. इट रिएक्ट विथ वाटर. इसकी रिएक्शन बेटा वाटर के साथ. वाटर अंडरगो डिसोसिएशन टू फॉर्म H positive, OH negative. Now these H positive combine with X negative to form the HX. Now this N2 gas is released. So beta N2 gas. What will remains here? Benzene ring. From here OH, they combines to form C6H5OH. And this compound is called phenol. So benzene diazonium halide undergoes hydrolysis or react with water in presence of dilute H2SO4 to form the phenol. So in this way, a replacement of diazonium group is takes place by using OH. So 4 replacement reactions are completed here. 2 replacement reactions are remains. Replacement by using hydrogen and replacement by using NO2 group. Now that reaction will be studied in next period.